This analysis report, backed by quality data, covers the major developments the Web3, blockchain, and crypto sector has experienced this week, and making sure that they have people at the end of the door, that Beyond CR, by the way, and that Shiba Inu's marketing strategist alerts users about phishing links from hacked accounts, emphasizing caution against connecting wallets to suspicious websites. But former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried receives 25-year sentence. Sam Bankman-Fried, founder of FTX Exchange, faces a 25-year sentence for criminal charges. The sentencing follows his conviction on 7 counts, marking a significant development in the legal landscape surrounding cryptocurrency executives and their accountability for their actions. New staking ETP launched to capitalize on Altcoin growth. A prominent ETP issuer unveils a new product enabling investors to stake Altcoin and capitalize on the open network's expansion. Hashdex Bitcoin Futures ETF renamed to Hashdex Bitcoin ETF. And Hashdex collaborates with Tidal Investments LLC to convert its Bitcoin Futures ETF to a spot ETF, trading under the ticker DeFi. And the move aims to align the fund spot market dynamics. Concerns raised over SEC's approach to Ethereum regulation. U.S. congressional committees expressed concerns regarding the SEC's handling of Ethereum regulation, particularly in response to Prometheum's plans for institutional custody services, Munchables, hacker returns, stolen funds. In the NSM burned $1 billion. An hacker behind hackers is 62 million. Meanwhile, speculations arise about the ties to North Korea. Consolidation of 2010 Bitcoin reward raises speculation. An unidentified entity consolidates 2,000 Bitcoin mined in 2010 into a single wallet, attracting attention within the cryptocurrency community. The consolidation sparks speculations about the motivations behind the move. Kotai and Civic partner to enhance digital identity management. So, Coty and Civic announce a partnership to empower users with confidentiality and self-sovereignty over their digital identities. Leveraging Coty's V2's Ethereum-based confidentiality layer, the alliance aims to advance decentralized identity management. Leading AI and Web3 companies merge tokens to advance superintelligence. Fetch.ai, SingularityNet, and Ocean Protocol merge their native tokens into ASI, owned by the Superintelligence Collective, to advance artificial superintelligence research. Tether embraces AI expansion to enhance stablecoin technology. Tether announces plans to intensify its focus on artificial intelligence, aiming to enhance efficiency and accessibility in the technology sector. And WorldCoin's Eyeball Scam project draws regulatory scrutiny in Europe. And WorldCoin's Proof of Personhood project faces scrutiny over its biometric data collection method in Europe. Portugal's CNPD instructs a 90-day pause on date collection. COMEX crypto exchange PPP exchange seizes Russian operations amid regulatory pressure over COMEX, which took over Binance's Russian operations, announces its exit from the country. This decision aligns with Binance's departure plan initiated in 2023. Judge sanctions SEC for misconduct in cryptocurrency firm case. U.S. District Judge Rover Shelby imposes sanctions on the SEC for serious misconduct in Deadbox legal action. The ruling criticizes the SEC's handling, highlighting concerns about abuse being a power. And report reveals North Korea's cyber attack involvement in cryptocurrency. Yeah. It's $80. UN Security Council releases a report revealing North Korea's significant earnings from cyber attacks, with 50% attributed to cryptocurrency-related activities. In this section, we will analyze 2 factors primarily: the top-performing blockchains based solely on their 7-day change, and the top performers among the top 5 blockchains with the highest TVL. In this week's top blockchain performers based on their 7-day change are Cardia, Chiliz, BEVN, Zclink, and Merlin. And Cardia surged by 1,664%, leading the blockchain market, with Chiliz closely following. Merlin exhibited a
positivity movie in 17 tub, notable increase of 143%.
Ethereum, Tron, BNB Smart Chain, Solana, and Arbitrum One are the top 5 blockchains in the market on the basis of TVL and market dominance. Let's see how the top 5 blockchains have performed this week using 7-day TVL change. Over the past week, Solana exhibited the highest 7-day change in total value, locked at 22.8%, followed by Ethereum at 9%. Tron, BNB Smart Chain, and Arbitrum One also demonstrated notable increases in TVL at 8.8%, 7.6%, and 8.5% respectively. The crypto 7-day price change and dominance analysis and top gains and losers analysis are the 2 prime areas of the crypto market analysis. And that's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether, BNB, and Solana are the top cryptocurrency as per the market cap and dominance indices. Let's analyze their 7-day price change. Over the last week, Solana experienced the highest price surge at 15.6%, followed by Binance Coin at 10.7% and Bitcoin at 9.7%. Ethereum saw a 5.6% increase, while Tether says should make it remain relatively stable with a minimal 0.1% change. And here's the list of top gainers and top losers of the week in the cryptocurrency market. The analysis is made using the 7-day gain and 7-day lose indices. In the past week, Dogwood Hot and Core displayed remarkable gains at 102.97% and 104.69% respectively, positioning them as top performers. Manta followed closely with a gain of 58.50. Gate tokens and Bitcoin Cash also experienced notable increases at 44.41% and 40.81% respectively. Over the past week, KuCoin token faced the highest loss at negative 22.67%, followed by Bitensor at negative 12.26%. Phantom also experienced a notable decrease of negative. North Mangelstan showed relatively smaller losses at negative 2.87% and negative 2.62% respectively. Tether, USDC, DAI, First Digital USD, and Athena USDE are the top stablecoins in the market in terms of market capitalization. Let's analyze their weekly performance using 7-day market capitalization, market dominance, and trading volume indices. Tether maintained its dominance in the stablecoin market with 70.96%, followed by USDC at 22.01%. DAI, First Digital USD, and Athena USD held smaller market shares at 3.33% and 1.02% respectively. A long time today. Let's analyze the weekly performance of the top stablecoins further using the 7-day price change index. Over the past week, stablecoins exhibited minimal price fluctuations. First Digital USD showed the highest increase at plus 0.7%, followed by Athena USD at plus 0.4%, and Tether USDC at BII experienced slight changes at plus 0.1%. Bitcoin futures ETFs and Bitcoin spot ETFs should be analyzed separately in order to get the right picture of the Bitcoin ETF market, as they represent 2 different segments. Okay, let's start. Pro shares, VanEck, Valkyrie, GlobalX, and ARK21 shares are the top Bitcoin future ETFs as per the Asset Under Management Index. Let's use the Price Change Percentage Index to analyze these ETFs. Over the past period, Pro shares and ARK21 shares Bitcoin futures ETFs exhibited the highest gains of plus 3.33% and plus 3.13% respectively, indicating investor interest and potential market optimism. Valkyrie Global X also saw positive increases at plus 2.87% and plus 1.74%. VanEck showed the smallest gain at plus 0.133%. Grayscale, BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK21 shares, and Bitwise are the top Bitcoin spot ETFs as per the Asset Under Management Index. Let's analyze them using the Price Change Index. Over the recent period, Bitcoin spot ETFs demonstrated positive price changes. BlackRock led with a gain of plus 3.42%, closely followed by Fidelity at 3 and 36%, and Bitwise shares and Grayscale also showed gains at plus
3.32% and plus 3.24% respectively.
Lido, Eigenlayer, AAVE, Maker, JustLend are the 5 top DeFi protocols on the basis of TVL. Let's analyze its weekly performance using the 7D Change Index. In the past week, DeFi protocols witnessed significant changes in total value locked. Eigenlayer exhibited the highest increase at plus 8.08%, indicating strong user adoption or new investment. JustLend and Wynn's record name in AADE followed closely with gains of plus 7.29% and plus 7.09% respectively, reflecting growing interest in their services. Lido and Maker also experienced positive growth, albeit at a slower. Blur, Aggregator, OpenSea, Gen, and CryptoPunks are the top NFT marketplaces on the basis of market share. Let's analyze them using the volume change of last 7 Ds, volume over the previous 7D volume index. Over the past week, top NFT marketplaces experienced varying volume changes. CryptoPunks saw a significant decrease of negative 88.76%, and Blur Aggregator at negative 36%, and Blur exhibited smaller declines at minus 32.72% and minus 6.20% respectively. Uncategorized ordinals number 110FC35F, D's node CQP3D, D's node YRJ, and in this week's top NFT collectible sales showcase diverse price ranges. Uncategorized ordinals number 110FC35F leads with a sale price of $276,665, followed by all bars and $4,225, and Bitcoin Rocks SD, demonstrating a high value and demand for unique NFTs. Pundu, Orange DX, Univit, Anote Music, Gaiman, Bondex, and BitBrawl are the major ICOs that ended this week. Let's analyze how much amount they have received. And this week's ICOs closed with varying amounts received. Bondex secured the highest amount at $4,000, followed by BitBrawl with $3,670,000 and Pundu at $3,100,000. And Anote Music secured $1,460,000 and $700,000 respectively. As of March 30th, 2024, hackers swiped a whopping $7.77 million. The majority, about $5.85 billion, was snatched from decentralized finance platforms. Another chunk, around $2.83 billion, from bridges connecting various blockchain networks. This week has seen 3 major hacks in the Web3, blockchain, and crypto world. On March 29th, 2024, Lava lost approximately $34 million to hackers. The day before that day, on March 26, 2024, Prisma Finance fell victim to hackers, resulting in a loss of $11.6 million. And on March 26, 2024, Munchables was hacked using a Biden storage slot exploit technique, causing a staggering loss of $62.5 million, the largest reported loss this year. Luckily, the hackers responsible for the Munchables exploit returned the stolen ether. In this week's comprehensive analysis of Web3, blockchain, and crypto, we have brought out powerful insights which can be used to stay the data about the market developments.
As the landscape evolves, the strategic integration of technology and data-driven decision-making becomes paramount for stakeholders navigating the dynamic realms of decentralized technologies.